Editing the Read More button in WordPress can be done using a few different methods depending on whether you want to modify its text, appearance, or link behavior. Here's how you can customize the Read More button. Using WordPress Editor. To change the text of the Read More button in a post or page, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Posts, All Posts or Pages, All Pages. Edit the post or page where you want to change the button. If you're using the block editor, find the More block in the post editor and edit the Read More text in the block settings. If you use the classic editor, find the More tag and modify it. Some themes let you customize the text of the Read More button directly from the theme settings. Using a plugin. If you want more control, such as changing the button's appearance or functionality, use a plugin like Advanced Custom Fields or Shortcodes Ultimate to modify the button's text or add custom styling. Custom CSS for style. To change the appearance of the button, go to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS. Add Custom CSS. Publish your changes.